Did you know that some of your daily bathing habits could actually be cutting years off your life, especially after 60? It sounds surprising, but it's true. Many seniors follow routines that seem harmless but may be quietly damaging their skin, weakening immunity, or even increasing the risk of infection. But don't worry, today, we're uncovering 5 common bathing mistakes that are secretly sabotaging your health. And we'll show you exactly how to fix them for a safer, more refreshing routine that supports healthy aging. So if you care about your long-term wellness, or that of a loved one, stay with us till the end. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips you'll love. Lesson 1. Hot showers might be harming you. Here's a better way. Taking a hot shower is one of life's simple pleasures. It relaxes our muscles, eases joint pain, and helps us unwind after a long day. Especially for seniors, a hot shower may feel like the perfect way to start or end the day. But did you know that too much hot water might actually be harming your skin, and even affecting your overall health? As we age, our skin changes. It becomes thinner, drier, and more sensitive. This is a natural part of life, but the way we care for our skin becomes more important than ever. One of the most common mistakes people over 60 make is using water that is too hot while bathing or showering. While it might feel comforting in the moment, it can quietly damage your skin over time. Hot water strips away your skin's natural oils. These oils act like a protective barrier, keeping moisture in and germs out. When they're gone, your skin becomes dry, itchy, and more likely to crack. Cracked skin can be more than just uncomfortable, it can allow bacteria to enter, leading to infections. And for seniors, skin infections can take longer to heal and may lead to further complications if not treated early. But here's the good news: you don't have to give up the comfort of a nice shower. You just need to make a few small changes that will keep your skin healthy while still enjoying your routine. The first step is turning the temperature down. Instead of using very hot water, try lukewarm water. It should feel warm, but not hot enough to steam up the mirror or turn your skin red. If you're not sure, test the water with your wrist before stepping in. This small change can make a big difference for your skin over time. The second tip is to keep your showers short, ideally under 10 minutes. Long showers, even with warm water, can still dry out the skin. A quick, gentle cleanse is all you need to stay clean and fresh without overwashing your skin. Next, choose a mild, moisturizing body wash or soap. Avoid products with strong fragrances or harsh chemicals. Look for soaps labeled for sensitive skin or moisturizing. Ingredients like oatmeal, aloe vera, and coconut oil are gentle and nourishing. These help soothe the skin instead of stripping it. After your shower, pat your skin dry gently with a soft towel. Don't rub, as this can irritate the skin. Then, within 3 minutes, apply a good quality moisturizer. This locks in the water your skin absorbed during the shower and keeps it soft and healthy. Look for lotions or creams that are fragrance-free and specially made for dry or aging skin. By making these simple changes, you're not just improving your skin, you're protecting your overall health. Healthy skin keeps bacteria out, reduces the risk of itching or inflammation, and even helps you feel more confident in your appearance. Remember, growing older doesn't mean giving up comfort, it just means being a little wiser about how we care for our bodies. A few gentle changes in your bathing habits can lead to glowing skin, fewer health worries, and a better sense of well-being every day. So next time you reach for that hot shower, think warm, not hot, and treat your skin with the kindness it deserves. You'll feel the difference, and your body will thank you for it. Lesson 2. Skipping moisturizer is a silent skin killer. Here's the easy fix. Most of us have spent a lifetime caring for our families, working hard, and taking care of others. Now, in our golden years, it's time to focus on caring for ourselves, especially our skin. One small daily habit that many seniors overlook is moisturizing. It may seem like an extra step or something only necessary in winter, but skipping this simple routine can quietly harm your health in ways you might not realize. As we age, our skin changes. It loses its ability to hold moisture the way it used to. You might notice your skin feels tighter, rougher, or even flaky after a bath or shower. That's because the natural oils and water content in the skin decrease with age. This makes it easier for skin to crack, itch, or become irritated. And when the skin cracks, it becomes more than just uncomfortable, it opens the door to germs, bacteria, and infections. But there's good news. This problem has an easy, soothing solution: moisturizing regularly. Applying a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer right after bathing helps your skin stay soft, smooth, and healthy. It's like giving your skin a protective coat, locking in the moisture it needs and creating a barrier that keeps harmful germs out. Many people don't realize how powerful this small step can be in preventing not only dryness but also bigger skin issues like infections or sores. You don't need expensive creams or fancy products. In fact, the best moisturizers are often the simplest. Look for ones labeled for sensitive skin, fragrance-free, or for dry skin. Creams or ointments are usually better than lotions because they provide a thicker layer of protection. Ingredients like glycerin, shea butter, ceramides, or aloe vera are all great for mature skin. Now, let's talk about timing. The best time to apply moisturizer is right after bathing, within 2 to 3 minutes of drying off. Your skin is still slightly damp, which helps seal in the moisture. Instead of rubbing your skin with a towel, gently pat it dry and apply your moisturizer while your skin is still warm and soft. Make moisturizing part of your self-care ritual. Keep your favorite lotion near your bath or shower so it becomes a natural part of your routine. You can even take a moment to relax and enjoy the soothing touch. It's not just good for your skin, it's good for your mood, too. If reaching all areas is difficult, especially on your back or feet, don't hesitate to ask for help from a family member or caregiver. You can also use long-handled lotion applicators, which are made just for this purpose. The goal is to make this habit easy, pleasant, and sustainable. Some seniors worry that using creams will make their skin feel greasy or sticky. But when you choose the right product for your skin type, it should absorb nicely and leave your skin feeling refreshed, not heavy. Test a few options to see which one feels best for you. By taking just a few minutes a day to moisturize, you're doing more than improving your skin, you're protecting your body's first line of defense. You'll feel more comfortable, reduce itching or irritation, and enjoy the confidence that comes with healthy, glowing skin. Remember, caring for yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And it starts with the little things, so today, treat your skin kindly. Your future self will thank you. Lesson 3. Why harsh soaps can hurt your skin after 60 and what to use instead. Many of us grew up thinking that the stronger the soap, the cleaner we would be. If it had a strong scent or left that squeaky clean feeling, we believed it was doing a great job. But after the age of 60, our skin changes, and so should the products we use. One of the most common mistakes seniors make is continuing to use harsh or antibacterial soaps that are not made for aging skin. Here's why that can be a problem, and how to fix it. As we grow older, our skin becomes thinner and loses its natural oils. It doesn't bounce back or heal as quickly as it once did. So when we use strong soaps that contain alcohol, artificial fragrances, or antibacterial agents, we strip away the skin's natural moisture and protective barrier. This can lead to dryness, irritation, redness, and even cracking, especially on the hands, arms, and legs. Cracked or damaged skin isn't just uncomfortable, it's also dangerous. When the skin's barrier is broken, bacteria can easily enter, leading to infections or sores that take longer to heal. For seniors, even a small skin problem can turn into something more serious if not cared for properly. Many people use antibacterial soaps thinking they are safer, especially after illness or during cold and flu season. But the truth is, regular gentle soap and water are enough to keep you clean. Antibacterial soaps often contain ingredients like triclosan, which can be too harsh and may even harm the balance of good bacteria on your skin. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Switch to mild, skin-friendly soap. Look for products labeled for sensitive skin, moisturizing, or fragrance-free. These soaps are specially made to clean without harming your skin. Gentle ingredients like aloe vera, oatmeal, coconut oil, shea butter, and glycerin are great choices for mature skin. They clean just as well, but with extra care and softness. You might also consider using a cream cleanser or body wash instead of bar soap. These are often more hydrating and leave your skin feeling smooth, not tight or itchy. And if you love a little scent, go for products with natural essential oils instead of artificial perfumes. Using the right soap is only one part of the story. How you use it matters, too. Avoid scrubbing your skin roughly or using rough washcloths or sponges. Instead, use a soft cloth or your hands and cleanse gently. Warm water is better than hot, and short showers are better than long ones. After bathing, always remember to moisturize, as we discussed in Lesson 2. This will help seal in moisture and protect your skin throughout the day. Making this simple change in your bathing routine can make a world of difference. Your skin will feel better, look healthier, and be better protected. You'll likely notice fewer problems with itching, dryness, or irritation, and that means more comfort and peace of mind. Taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It just means using the right products for your age and needs. You've taken care of so many things in life, it's time to take care of you, so the next time you shop for soap, take a moment to read the label. Choose something soft, safe, and nourishing. Your skin deserves nothing less. Lesson 4. The hidden danger of not cleaning all areas properly, a gentle reminder for better bathing. Bathing is something we've done our whole lives. For many, it's a daily routine that brings comfort, cleanliness, and peace of mind. But as we grow older, some parts of our body become harder to reach, and we might start to skip over them without even realizing it. Over time, this can lead to skin problems that could easily be avoided with just a little extra care. This lesson is about paying attention to the parts of the body that are often forgotten, and understanding why cleaning them gently but regularly is so important after 60, as mobility becomes more limited with age. Bending, stretching, or lifting the arms can become more difficult. As a result, we might miss certain areas like under the breasts, between the toes, behind the ears, under skin folds, or the groin area. These are warm, moist spots, perfect places for bacteria and fungi to grow if left uncleaned. You may not see these places, but your body certainly feels them. Over time, sweat, dirt, and dead skin can build up in those hidden spots, leading to rashes, body odor, itching, and even infections. And for seniors, skin infections can take longer to heal and may require medical treatment, but don't worry, the solution is simple and gentle. It all starts with being mindful and prepared. First, consider using tools that make bathing easier. A soft sponge with a long handle, or a gentle body brush, can help you reach your back, feet, or lower legs without having to bend too far. These tools are affordable and easy to find at most stores or online. Next, make a checklist in your mind. As you bathe, remind yourself to clean behind your ears, under your arms, around skin folds, and between your toes. You don't need to scrub hard, just a light wash with warm water and mild soap is enough to remove dirt and keep the skin healthy. Take your time and be kind to yourself during this process. Bathing should never feel like a chore, it can be a peaceful, self-caring moment in your day. Another important tip is to dry off properly after bathing. Damp areas, especially those tucked away under skin folds or between toes, can stay wet longer than you think. Moisture left behind creates the perfect environment for bacteria or fungi to grow. Use a soft towel and gently pat those areas dry. If needed, you can use a bit of talc-free powder to keep the skin dry and comfortable. If you're someone who finds it hard to reach certain places, don't be embarrassed. You're not alone. Many seniors face the same challenge. If you feel comfortable, ask a trusted caregiver or family member to help, or consider installing safety rails and a shower chair in your bathroom to make things easier. Remember, a clean body is a healthy body, and caring for your whole body, including the parts you don't see, is an important step in staying strong and confident as you age. Good hygiene doesn't just help your body, it also lifts your mood. You feel fresher, more comfortable, and more in control of your health, so, the next time you take a bath or shower, take a deep breath, relax, and remember these small but powerful steps. Your body will thank you, and you'll feel the difference from head to toe. Lesson 5. Bathing too often or not enough, finding the right balance after 60. Bathing is a natural part of life. It keeps us clean, fresh, and comfortable. But did you know that bathing too often or not often enough can be harmful to your skin, especially after the age of 60? Many seniors are unaware that overbathing can dry out their skin, while underbathing can cause skin irritation, body odor, and even infections, let's explore how to find the perfect balance to keep your skin healthy and your body feeling refreshed every day. As we grow older, our skin becomes thinner and more sensitive. It doesn't produce as much oil as it used to, and it takes longer to heal from small scratches or irritation. That's why bathing too frequently, especially with hot water and strong soap, can strip the skin of its natural moisture. This leads to dryness, itching, flaking, and sometimes even cracking. On the other hand, bathing too little can also create problems. Sweat, dead skin cells, and natural body oils can build up in areas like under the arms, behind the knees, or in skin folds. This can lead to body odor, fungal infections, and skin discomfort, especially during warmer months. So, what's the right answer? For most seniors, bathing 2 to 3 times a week is just right. This routine keeps the skin clean without drying it out. On the days when you don't bathe fully, you can still stay fresh by cleaning key areas, like your face, underarms, groin, and feet, with a soft cloth and warm water. This method is called a sponge bath or partial cleanse, and it's a gentle way to maintain hygiene while giving your skin a break from soap and water. Also, your bathing routine should match your lifestyle. If you've been gardening, walking, or sweating during the day, an extra shower might be needed. But if you've been indoors and comfortable, skipping a day is completely fine. The goal is to stay clean, not dry out your skin or cause irritation. Listen to your body. If your skin feels tight or itchy, it might be a sign that you're bathing too much or using the wrong soap. If you notice body odor or discomfort, you may need to cleanse more often or pay closer attention to certain areas. Now let's talk about how to make your bathing time more enjoyable and effective. Use lukewarm water instead of hot, and keep your showers or baths short. Around 10 minutes is ideal. Choose mild, fragrance-free soap designed for sensitive or aging skin. And always follow up with a gentle moisturizer after bathing to lock in hydration and protect your skin. Don't forget to pat your skin dry gently instead of rubbing. Be sure to dry areas that tend to hold moisture, like under the arms, under the breasts, or between the toes. If standing in the shower is difficult, consider using a shower chair or handheld shower head. These tools make bathing safer and easier, allowing you to maintain your independence with confidence. Remember, good hygiene isn't about doing more, it's about doing what's right for your body. Finding the right balance helps you avoid unnecessary skin problems, feel more comfortable, and enjoy each day with a sense of freshness and dignity. So, take a moment to review your bathing habits. A few small changes can make a big difference in your comfort, health, and happiness. Conclusion. Thank you for watching. If even one of these tips helped you feel more confident about your bathing routine, we'd truly love to hear from you. Have you faced any skin challenges after 60? Or maybe you have your own helpful habit to share. Your experience could inspire and support someone else in our community, so please take a moment to drop a comment below. Your feedback means the world to us, and if this video made a difference for you, even in a small way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more senior-friendly health tips that keep you glowing and growing every day. Let's stay healthy, together.